Hello, come on in, and welcome to Wentures. I'm Manal, and I'm the marketing executive here. At Ventures, we do it all for you. You just sit back and see the growth, because Ventures is about elevating your entire brand. From managing supply chains to project revenues to determining your inventory needs, we cover it all for you. Because our goal here is simple. Every dollar that you invest should derive value, growth, and profit. Because at the end of the day, when you win, we win. Our founders Anfal, Ahmed, and Aisha Yaya found Ventures built on the principle of delivering long-term and comprehensive business solutions because we want to simplify it all for you. Now let's meet our CEO, Anfal Ahmed.
When you see from a broader perspective, you get to know that there is a lot going around Amazon business apart from PPC. The idea of starting Ventures was based on bringing solutions for the challenges sellers are not actually focusing on, like managing their cash flows, optimizing their inventory plans, growing their ROIs, and identifying any possible business risk. Our vision has always been to strengthen these fundamentals of the businesses for a long-term and steady growth. We heavily rely on research, development, and innovation. Our R&D team is consistently looking for new products and markets. We believe that sellers need more smart, data-driven solutions for their businesses, and that is exactly what we deliver.
Our mission at Ventures has always been to prioritize our clients' needs. Building strong relationships with them and understanding new challenges is what we are all about. That's why we have a retention rate of 85%. Our forecasting module has helped many sellers predicting and understanding future revenues, which makes them plan business more confidently. It makes me feel very proud to say that we have a very capable and dedicated team who works consistently to deliver the results. Let's meet the team.
Hello, I'm Laiva, the sales executive at Ventures. Hi, I'm Komal, the account executive in the post-launch department.
Hi, I am Isha and I work in the pre-launch department as a product research executive.
Hi, I'm Saad. I'm the project manager at Wentures.
Hello, I'm Anas and I am the project manager of the private label department at Wentures.
Hello, I am Saad Azim, an IT manager at Wentures.
We're thrilled to share that the clients love the result that we deliver and the testimonials speak volume about our commitment to excellence. Because at the end of the day, we don't just manage, we venture beyond limits.
Wentures came in, they fine-tuned our campaigns, and they helped us focus on the right keywords, ones that were actually converting for us. Our ad spend started working for us and not against us.
And the previous agency that I worked with missed a few of the key fundamentals that Wentures picked up on. And as soon as those were changed, we managed to generate new revenue streams almost immediately.